Teachers are very important people in our lives. They help us learn new things and understand the world better. A teacher is someone who teaches students in school. They can teach many subjects like math, science, history, and English. Teachers work in classrooms. A classroom is a room where students sit to learn. It has desks, chairs, a blackboard or whiteboard, and sometimes a computer. The teacher stands in front of the class and writes on the blackboard or whiteboard to explain lessons. Teachers are kind and patient. They help students when they have questions or don't understand something. Teachers also give us homework to do at home. Homework helps us practice what we learned in class. There are different kinds of teachers. Some teach younger students in elementary school. They teach basic subjects like reading, writing, and math. Other teachers work in middle school or high school. They teach more advanced subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics. Teachers use books, videos, and pictures to teach us. They also tell us interesting stories and show us fun experiments. Sometimes we do projects and presentations in class to show what we've learned. We should always listen to our teachers and respect them. We should be polite and raise our hands when we want to speak. Teachers care about our education and want us to do well in school. In conclusion, teachers are wonderful people who help us learn and grow. They make learning fun and interesting. We should appreciate and thank our teachers for all they do for us.